Hello, I'm here in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and I'm at the Antler Inn, and I'm going to do a room to room 189. This is their standard regular room. They do have rooms that look more like log cabins, and those seem to be downstairs. I am upstairs. This is an old style motel, but it's actually very comfortable. The beds were pretty good. I had a good night's sleep. They're not the best, but they're better than a lot of beds I've slept on in hotels. Refrigerator and microwave, coffee pot, and there is coffee there for you. There you go. There's a small freezer. Because of COVID, I'm here on August 27th and in the midst of the COVID-19 epidemic. And because of that, the hotels around here are not allowed to have their ice machines working. So you can't make ice in there. Nice little refrigerator. Place for your fruit even. There's a little station for your plugs and charging. There are no USB outlets in this room though. So be prepared. You can bring, some kind of USB cables with multiple USB ports and plug them in there. Here, TV. These standard rooms have 2 queen beds. Standard Bible in there. Some magazines. Drawers, mine. These are full. Bench. Good place to put your shoes on, put stuff. Bathroom. Then hanging space. Room for your luggage. There is a hairdryer in here. There's your outlets for the bathroom area. There is another switch. And if you do like to watch TV in the evening, there are plenty of channels. A little alarm clock. There's plenty of storage, it seems like, and it's pretty comfortable. I mean, I'm here in the height of summer, so the price is a little crazy, but all the hotels here are very expensive. So I paid $235 a night for this room. Would I say it's worth it? Not really, but it is what it is when you come here. So if you want something much nicer, you're gonna pay probably in the $400 range per night. So I think that's it for this room at the Antler Inn in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Thanks for watching and have a great day. So there is a sauna. I'm sure you need to go talk to the front desk to figure out how to get it turned on and working. But they do have one.